Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the long-awaited room tour, and I'm so excited to get through everything. So let's start with the doorway. Welcome to the entrance of my room. It's its own foyer, and I have these gorgeous curtains. They're from IKEA. They're just the regular, I think, $2 curtains. I bought these because I wanted to test out how this would look, and I just haven't changed it since. And it's cute, it's nice. I'm thinking of doing that really lacy curtain, but keeping it simple doesn't over dramatize the room, so I just left it like this and I didn't bother to invest in further drapery. My loves, this is my desk area. So study station, soon to be charging station. I'm looking forward to finding a power strip to make this a charging station as well when I come in. I do have a drawer full of things to get when I leave, so like face mask, hand sanitizer, and so on. I also keep my Mac here along with a lottery box for decor, an Eiffel Tower, and on the other side a picture frame with the lottery macaroon menu that they always give you every time you go there. So I have a couple of them and I decided to do a cute little DIY frame, and I put that right here. And then towards the bottom I have my bench that I'm sitting on currently, this really cute wedding planner, but I use it as a binder for school. And then on the floor alongside the binder I have my Ted Baker tote, which is what I carry to class, and it's easy to just pop on my shoulder and go. And it's Ted Baker, it's super cute. Let's move on to the dresser. Alright, so now we are at my dresser station. So this is where I would grab my fragrance, put on my jewelry underneath this tiara, or light a candle. And the candle that I have for this current season is Pink Petal Tea Cake. I'm not going to get into details on what's in this dresser. It's very boring. If I plan on doing a closet clean out soon, I will definitely zero in on that area, but for now it's not really organized to my liking or how I would like it, so we're not going to go into details on what's in the drawers. The small drawer similar to this one on the other side, I have my accessories in there, and also my other prescription glasses, because I wear glasses. I keep my contacts in there, I keep my glasses in there, my sunglasses, my scarves, my bows, clips, and etc. All of those essentials are in there, and then all of the tiny accessories like pin pearls to pin scarves together and stuff like that, that's in the jewelry box because I don't want to lose them. So anything really tiny stays in the jewelry box, including the jewels, of course. And going into the corner of my bedroom, I have the corner right here. So all these throw pillows on my bed, I normally just stack them in the corner, and the two front sham pillows, but there's no shams on them right now, please excuse the unclassiness of that. I just put them right in front of the decor throw pillows. So in this chest, this bedside table, it's now a lingerie chest basically. So the top one holds on my bras, bralettes, and stuff like that, and the bottom one is actually my pajama drawer. And if I have bigger, bulkier PJs, they go in this top drawer. So right there is my wireless charger. I have my lamp. This lamp I've had ever since I moved here. It's from Home Depot, and I just tied a cute little pink ribbon on there. Right next to it I have a lantern from IKEA, and I tied a ribbon on that too. So before we move on to the other areas of my room, I do want to point out what's on the wall over here. So let's start with this picture frame right here. I bought this picture frame from Burlington, and then these two hats right here. This beret is from Forever 21. This hat is from Amazon. On the ceiling, I have my fan. I changed out the drawstrings for these really cute glass strings. I just thought they were cuter, and since I'm not getting a chandelier in this room, it just makes up for it a little bit, only a tiny bit. I'm still kind of frustrated about it, but I do need a fan in this room all year round. It's just non-negotiable, and to buy one to store is ridiculous. I don't really like it too much. Before we move on to the bed, I want to talk about the photo wall. I bought the frames from Dollar Tree when Dollar Tree was $1, so this was $6, and then I printed the pictures out. So I have 2 pictures of Audrey Hepburn, a drawing and a line drawing. On top I have the Eiffel Tower, 2 quotes from Coco Chanel, and the last one is a sketch or a finished art piece of a tutu, a really cute evening version of a tutu, and some ballet shoes. It's super cute and it reminds me of how much I love ballet. Eiffel Tower is from Paris, Audrey Hepburn of course is the icon, and then we have Coco Chanel. So let's move on to the bed. Alright, so moving down from the photo wall, let's discuss the components, which is pillows, sheets, etc. So starting from all the way in the back, well actually starting with the bed set in general, I bought everything from IKEA, assembled it. So the whole brand is called ℏ𝓁℈. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I changed the knobs out for these rose, ivory, and gold knobs just to make my room look a bit dreamier. So the back pillow then, and they're satin pillowcases. These 2 pillows here, they should be shams, but they go alongside with the sheets that are on my bed. I don't know if you can see them right there. I'm pointing at it. Those are from Costco. These throw pillows here are pillow covers. This comforter you guys have so many questions about. This used to be my mom's comforter. Since it's literally vintage, I don't know where to find another one. Moving down, I have my Berkshire blanket. Okay, so this bedside table, long story short about the mannequin, it was gifted to me as a child. Next to it I have my other lamp. I have my little book of Dior, a bouquet of peonies I bought from HomeGoods, coaster for my water bottle. So in the bottom drawer I have a little heat pad, and then on the top drawer I keep my eye mask in here. This drawer is pretty much empty for me. So let's move on to the mirror. So as I said, this is my mirror. I want to take more pictures in this room, but if you've seen pictures of this rectangular gorgeous piece of item here, it is this mirror. It's my clothing rack slash full body mirror, and it takes up this entire corner. I also want to bring to your attention, I have a wallflower here, and it's this rose wallflower, so my room smells like roses and fresh cream, if that gives you an idea. The next thing I want to bring to your attention, I have this cute vase, and it's tied with a pink ribbon at the bottom, and this is my slipper vase. So as discussed, I also dropped my charger in here to make my room look neater during the daytime, so I have my phone charger. And then I keep all of my headbands in this bag. These are the headbands I wear a lot. This is a little bag charm that I have bought in Paris as well. It's a little tourist attraction thing, but it's cute, and I do pop it on my bag sometimes when I'm feeling a little bit more, you know. Then I have my Love Shack fancy tote. I just have it stuffed with the stuff I stuff my bags with in this bag. And then last but not least, I have these spring jeans, Air Muffs, which will be on display soon for the winter months. Then I have the clothes from TikTok, but I think that's it for now. So. I have 6 panels of curtains up here. I swagged 2 of the curtains at the top to create this pretty design instead of getting valances. I just swagged the 2 in the center to the top. And then I have my vanity. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you should. I already posted a vanity tour in depth of what's in the drawers and everything. So this is what it looks like from afar. The only thing that I didn't explain was the Bath & Body Works old candle jar right there. That's for my dirty makeup brushes, so I'll go ahead and wash that once the week is done. Over here I have bouquet of roses from Forever Rose NY. I would like to relocate that, but until then it's right here where I can see it every single day and I love it. I have my mannequin, which is also from Amazon. I have this cute little collar on it right now, but I'm returning it because I don't like the color, but it's a really cute concept though. Then I have a Victoria's Secret ribbon tied at the top at all times. Next is my closet. Thank you so much for joining me for this room tour, and I hope I was able to answer all of your questions. If I left anything out, please leave a comment down below and leave a pink heart emoji, the double hearts, to let me know that you watched the whole thing, and I will provide all the links down below. So I'll see you guys in my next fall video, and as this summer comes to a close, I hope you had a wonderful summer. Let's get all cozied up for the snow blizzards to come and the autumn leaves to fall. Yes, in that exact order, of course. I'm so smart. Anyways, bye my loves.